Ayan, meron na naman po tayong sasagutin na question. So, ito ay galing kay Alcris Carizo. Ang sabi niya is, na-receive niya na yung kanyang cash advance pin from Security Bank. And pwede daw pa na hindi niya gamitin. And parang mas okay daw yung ready cash. Alcris, I would highly suggest huwag kang magka-cash advance kung hindi naman emergency. Itabi mo lang yan. So, kung need mo ng pera pero hindi ka naman nagmamadali, mag-ready cash ka na lang. Totoo yan, mas maganda ang ready cash kasi very flexible ang payment niyan kasi installment mo siya babayaran unlike sa cash advance na one-time payment lang siya. And ang kagandahan pa is mabilis lang din naman yung processing nila at very straightforward lang din yung kanilang pagsasubmit ng application kasi online lang. Okay, so may video pala ako kung paano mag-apply ng ready cash. So if you're interested, just look on my profile. Yun lang.